I love me some good minigun.
Hey guys, here's the pack we just did. This is the second page for the free guns on Gun Club 2. Next we have this. This is like one of the coolest pages that there is on the game. Alright, we have the F1 grenade right here. It's simple, just take it. How about this? And it explodes. If you need help, just hit here. Oh, it's not working for some reason. Simple as that. Okay, we have a sniper rifle right here. We have not done a sniper rifle yet. The AWP sniper rifle we have here. First you gotta cock up like this, and then go out like that. And so you see in Call of Duty. Plus there's like unlimited ammo and stuff there. Zoom in, zoom out. On some of these guns you'll be able to customize the type of scope that you would like to have on. Right here we have the standard flamethrower. It's not the M2 flamethrower, but we'll get to that soon. Watch this. Oh, forgot. There you go. All you gotta do is just move this thing around here until the field lights up. Then light this thing down here. And pull the trigger. And you have your very own shotgun. If you don't want to do that, just do this. Unlimited ammo. All the same good stuff. The BFC 5000 chainsaw. Alright, I need help with this one. Yank the device, start the motor. Okay. There you go, we started the motor. There's the on here. And look at that. Just look at that. Actually starts up like a real, like plane, it starts up. So that's pretty cool too. My phone's ringing there. And here is a minigun, which is actually pretty large. There it comes like, you'll be able to get unlimited ammo for this. And all you gotta do is pull the trigger. You're gonna reload. Just hit this canister here. After you've done all the bullets. No cocking, nothing. This is like the simplest gun you could get on the game. All the bullets coming through here, you know. If you need help, just do that. So, this is the pack we're going to do next. This will be our fourth page in the free guns, and then there's also these. So we're almost done with the free packs. Thank you guys for listening, thank you guys for watching. No45 Kings here, and peace. Okay, here we have the second page of all the